What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about a coin that I think could surprise a lot of people in this bull run. I think it could have a monumental move here soon, and it has the potential to go super parabolic and have insane returns. Okay? It's one of my smaller cap gambles, not one of the utility coins that are our main bags like XRP, HBAR, XDC, Casper, Algo. It's not one of those. It's one of a small, like I said, smaller cap, more of a gamble, higher risk, but higher potential reward. Okay, so I've talked about it a couple times on the channel. I just wanted to talk about it again because it's starting to see some action again here the past few days. Coin, Swftcoin. So as you can see here, it's currently sitting around 0.006. It's moved up quite nicely from around 0.045 the past week. The thing with Swftcoin, okay, the big reason that I got into this play, I got into it around 0.015. So I'm already up a good amount. But the reason that I like this is because it's, again, very small. The market cap is only 25 million or about right now, which is very low considering that it's on Coinbase, and it's been on Coinbase for a long time, like since I bought it at 0.015. So we'll go over what it is really quick, and we'll look at the chart. If you scroll down here, just looking on CoinMarketCap, it says Swftcoin is the native cryptocurrency of the Swift blockchain platform, available on multiple blockchains, including ERC20, Binance, Heco, ETHF. As an ERC20 token, Swftcoin was initially launched on the Ethereum blockchain and has since expanded its presence to other compatible networks. So the coin itself serves as a utility token, so I guess it kind of is a utility token, that powers various functionalities and provides benefits to users. Holders of Swftcoin enjoy several advantages, such as 50% discounts on fees charged by the Swift blockchain. This discount enables users to swap cryptocurrencies across different chains at a reduced cost, enhancing their overall trading experience. So overall, it is basically a swapping cross-chain platform. So they have, what is it, like 300, or here, yeah, with 800 plus cryptos available on their platform and 50 plus public blockchain networks. So that's basically what it does. That's what it's here for. You can see here where they've been featured on. And we'll look at the chart here really quick, and then we'll get to some tweets and some of the other information, some of the other things that I see that I like, that I think gives this thing legs to go and potential to run. So the chart itself just looks very bullish. That is the reason that I got in right around here, and I was buying. Again, not a huge position, very small relative to those utility bags that I have. But I thought it was a good gamble. I thought it was a good bet. I see this nice macro bottom here, this pattern, looking like a big diamond, inverse head and shoulders. Sure enough, we got the breakout, we got the retest, we got continuation, retesting all these old highs right here. And then after that, it was, nothing but up. So it ran from 0.015 all the way to 0.009 almost. And then since then, that was in March, like when most of the market topped, we've just been correcting and consolidating. It looks like we had this falling wedge, we broke out, we retested, and now we're finally getting that move up. And right now we're hitting our head back on this resistance area around 0.007. This chart just looks good to me. It looks like it's been continuous higher highs, higher lows, stair stepping up, like it's getting ready to continue its next leg. Now, something that I found that I thought was very interesting is if you come over to Turbo. So Turbo just had a massive run, right? From 0.005-ish all the way up to, or 0.005 all the way up to 0.0, basically just 0.1. So like a 20x move from bottom here to top, 2000%. What I found interesting was if you take this fractal of this move, like from their consolidation period and then the takeoff, and you overlay it here on Swftcoin, obviously the consolidation here on Swftcoin has been a bit longer. But if you move it over and say like that was the peak, This second peak was the peak, and you just match it up. This looks very similar to me in terms of a pattern. And what it would suggest is we have this first move up here now. Maybe we consolidate here for like a week or two, creep higher, and then what would come next towards the end of June is an explosive move the same way that Turbo just got one. And if it were to follow this fractal, it would take us to around 3 cents. So is it guaranteed? Of course not. Is this possible? I think so. Because this is a very low market cap and it's on Coinbase and it seems to have buzz, which is what we're going to get into in a second, this thing could get the momentum to get a move like this going. And this wouldn't even be crazy. This would take it to a like 150 million market cap, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I'm just quick mathing it in my head. That's nothing. That's still small. Turbo got to like 350 million on his last move, and that's a meme coin. And this one has some kind of, utility and could have money running through it for other purposes. And it's on Coinbase. So 150 million market cap, that doesn't seem far-fetched at all. Okay, so we'll continue. I showed you their website, showed you the chart. The other thing I like is the buzz that it has on Twitter. So you could see someone here tweeting Swftcoin, LFG. They were getting hyped on this move that we had yesterday because it kind of was bouncing back from the lows finally. This guy says, Swftcoin, no need to panic, sell, cup and handle formation in progress, smart money knows. Here, Swftcoin recovering nicely off its dip. Things going to at least 2 cents, he says. And I think 2 cents is a conservative target. I think that should easily get hit over the coming months, assuming that Bitcoin holds up and Bitcoin gets that breakout that we are looking for. This guy says, Swftcoin, this is the altcoin to own. Market cap is approximately 27 million and a great project. There's plenty of upside on this one. Again here, from Hydro, Swftcoin price action looks like we get a retest of the breakout level, which I fully expect will be bought. That should be enough to send to new all-time highs, especially as this consolidation looks similar to the one from a few months ago, right before a decisive move to the upside. And then this guy, Juicy, big Swftcoin fan, it's obviously his profile picture, says Swftcoin will surprise the entire market. This tweet will age very well. Here's why. Backed by billionaire and big-time investor VC Tim Draper, Coinbase listed, small market cap, valuable utility with 800 plus cryptocurrencies available for swap on 50 plus public blockchain networks. Current market cap at 50 million. I don't know when he was saying that. Maybe it was at the peak of this recent move we just had. A 1 to 2 billion market cap, this bull run is easy. That would be insane. I don't think I'm expecting that personally, but yeah, that would be awesome to see. Maybe I'll hold a little moon bag, but I plan on getting out probably around a 250 million market cap or so. If this thing goes to 3 to 5 cents, I'm taking a lot of profit. But yeah, he's optimistic about how high this thing could go. Another one from here. I don't know the connection with Tim Draper exactly. I tried to look into it. I couldn't really find anything. He also says here that they have a strategic partnership with Binance. And those are just a few reasons that it is a long-term hold for him. But what I like to see is if you type in the ticker for Swftcoin on Twitter, there's just a lot of buzz, a lot of people tweeting, a lot of memes, a lot of excitement, especially recently with the move that we got. It just shows that there's an active community, which I think is important to see these smaller caps really get a move, I think it's a good thing to see, and it's only positive for some kind of catalyst. The even guy here says, Swftcoin, I'm bullish on all Asian utility tokens for 2024, 2025. Swftcoin AI dubbed as the Chinese XRP. So see, just like all this buzz, it's very good. And if you come over to their Twitter account, they have 77,000 followers. So they're by no means small, but for how big the project is and like the market cap, I think it's just really far behind the growth and like the activity that we see on Twitter and, just the amount of buzz around the project. So I think it has plenty of room to run, plenty of room to grow, and it could go absolutely parabolic. With that said, right, it's still a smaller cap coin, still high risk. You have to be willing to lose what you put in on something like this and within all of crypto, to be honest. But for me, I think it's a nice little bet, a nice little risk to take. I messed up, got out of turbo too soon, took profits on that before it had its bigger run. I don't want to make the same mistake with this one. I'm up a good little bit on it, but I think that this one could have a bigger run and it'd be nice to secure some of those profits. So hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, if you're interested in Swftcoin, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Let me know if you have any other cool small cap picks too. Write them down in the comments below and I'll check them out. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Peace.